Hello, xin chào mọi người đã quay trở lại với channel của Sơn. Ngày hôm nay Sơn với các bạn làm việc anh đẹp trai này tiếp tục đi sửa máy nha. Giờ xuống kiểm tra coi cái máy bị hư cái gì. Thì đầu tiên thì vào nhà khách thì Sơn đã mở cái remote lên để cho máy chạy, để mình coi cái máy nó bị hư cái gì nha. Hiện tại thì máy cái induction mode nó chạy. Thì để mình coi coi nó có đánh lửa không nha. Cái slider nó có sáng đèn không nha. Thế.
So we just wait?
Yep.
Shouldn't this be up here?
That's fine. Just leave it down and we see. Thường thì sau khi cái inducer model nó chạy đó thì nó sẽ cái slider sẽ sáng đèn. Hiện tại thì mình thấy cái inducer model nó chạy nhưng mà cái đèn cái slider thì nó cũng chưa sáng nha. Cũng không nghe nó cái đèn này nó không có báo. Không thấy cái báo lỗi đèn nha. Okay. You open that one?
Yeah, there's no light blinking, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's stuck.
Okay, now you hold the butt.
I got tape.
Yeah.
What is this? I probably left it in my other tool bag. Oh, no, I got it.
Mình muốn xem coi cái đèn nó báo bị lỗi gì nha. Bình thường thì trên cái board nó sẽ có báo cái lỗi, nó sẽ cho mình cái code là nó báo là bị lỗi gì. Nên mình muốn mở cái nắp ra để mình coi thử coi cái đèn nó báo cái lỗi gì nha mọi người. Mình thấy cái đèn nó đỏ đây ha. Hiện tại thì chưa thấy nó báo lỗi gì nha. Thấy nó chớp đèn nữa không? Nó chớp mà nó báo lỗi đó. Đếm coi bao nhiêu cái. Ok, báo hai cái flash. Mình xem cái hai cái flash thì nó bị cái lỗi gì. Ở đây mình sẽ thấy báo cái code ở đây ha. Thì hai cái flash nó ghi là pressure switch low, pressure switch stop low. Ok, thì giờ mình sẽ kiểm tra coi tại sao cái pressure switch nó low here. Đây là cái pressure switch đó mọi người. Ok, giờ mình sẽ kiểm tra xem coi nó bị gì nha. relay bed.
The relay bed? How do you know?
Can you go upstairs, turn up thermostat, and wait a couple of minutes and turn it back on? Nó chạy rồi nha mọi người, nó chạy rồi nhưng mà nó có lúc nó chạy, có lúc nó không. Thì cái control board này nó không send cái low voltage tới cái vector switch này, nên nó là lúc thì nó chạy, lúc thì nó không chạy, thì Sơn gõ vô cái control board đó thì nó chạy. Thì Sơn sẽ báo phát cái control board cái này, phát cái control board này, Sơn thấy cái control board này. Thì như mình đã nói, cái control board bị hư. Bây giờ mình đi lấy cái control board mới về rồi. Bây giờ sẽ tiến hành thay cái control board nhé. Bạn mình sẽ thay cho. Anh cũng chưa thay bây giờ, để anh thay thử coi như thế nào ha.
Yeah, just go down.
No, take a picture first.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You take out and you don't know what you put in, it will be suck. Take the whole control board out. Take the whole one out.
Oh, yeah.
Put the new one in and put the wire in. That part, that out. Living on the floor. Yeah. Okay, put a new one in.
Just take one more picture.
You can put a new one in, where a new one.
Oh yeah, right.
Put a new one in the base. And when you remove the old one, put a driveway to a new one.
Okay, I see what you mean. Smart.
That people do that. You don't.
Yeah, what I was gonna do, I was gonna take out all the wires and
No,
put the control board in.
you cannot remember a lot of wire.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough, right? This was like. Wait.
Yeah.
Yep, like this.
It's so hard. You see the level? Is that what? No. I said you need to see the level on when you take out. Make sure the same the level. Oh yeah. Over there, the same thing. Yeah. Sometimes the location the same but different. Yeah, it says heat. That's pretty cool. Boom. That's for you. So basically all neutral. Come on. Ooh, this is hard. Yeah, that's fun. I know, but I don't wanna like rip it. Good.
Very suitable. Cái này nó bị hư cái này nè các bạn, cái con relay này hư xong nha mọi người. Anh bạn mới anh đang gắn cái dây của cái remote xuống nè. Đây là cái bộ cũ này. Đấy, sắp xong rồi.
All right.
Are you sure? Check everything one more time. Make sure everything correct.
Yep.
Okay, you turn down. Why not run?
Is the thermostat on?
Sometimes on. What happened? The door switch.
Oh. Yeah, you're right.
You can, yeah, you can hold up.
There we go.
practice mà chạy. Cái qua trước chúng ta lúc mình nó on, cái này on luôn. Rồi, video tới đây là xong. Nếu các bạn thích thì các bạn hãy like cái video này.
First.
So interview for the first time you replay for control ball.
Second.
A second?
Yeah, second. Yeah.
When?
Yeah, second. You didn't see me like move my hands like super quick and.
No, but when you replay for the first control ball at the shop?
No, yeah, in the shop.
Yeah, that's the first time you're on a customer house.
Oh, so the third time. Third time then.
The third time?
Third time, because like the first time I replaced it in the shop, the second time I was with Gabe, and third time with you.
And when you go with the Gap and he let you do the replay it?
He told me to figure it out.
And you figured it out?
Yeah, I figured it out.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's not so bad. It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
It's just you gotta make sure not to mix up the wires.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
exactly. Like
it'll take longer.
Yeah, if like do the way you do, you take all the wire out. It sucks when you put a new one on and you will confuse where the wire will go.
Right.
Yeah, when you put a new one in first and you take the wire on the old one out and you put it to the new one, it's easier, right?
Yeah. Always make sure to take pictures, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just take a picture just in case, sometimes they don't have exactly from the new one to the old one to the new one, and we get the picture just in case.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah.
And like that's why I said just take a picture first, and after that do the way I do, put the new one in first, and take the old one out, and just plug it. Easy, right?
Easy.
Just 10-15 minutes. How long you replay for the first one?
Like 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, this time it's just like 10-15 minutes.
10-15 minutes,
It's
not so
quick.
bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's quicker because you know how to do it on the first time or second time, and the way you do it is if you take for the whole wire out, and it's so hard when you put it in, you're so confused and take more time.
Yeah, you get your rhythm. So little by little, you'll know what you're doing. And it gets easier. Yeah.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
If you know what you need to do, it's make the job easier.
I got you. Yeah. Good teacher.
Good teacher.
Yeah. Good
Thank
teacher.
you. Yeah. Yeah, when you go by own and just do that,
Yeah.
easier. The first time when I replay for control ball, it take me long time too. But it's like this one is easier. Because this one is exactly the same with the old one, but a lot of the control ball we replay it that I call universal control ball,
Right.
and very different.
Yeah.
You need to look it on diagram on the new one. And that time gets sucked, because it's completely different on the universal. And yeah, you need to figure out which one they go and where they need to go. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. All that good stuff. Good
Yeah.
information. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
And say something to my
yeah.
friend.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment, donate. Yeah.
I don't need to donate now. I just need to subscribe.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe.
Share.
That is not. Thank you. When I post this video on YouTube and you show for your friend at the school, hey, I'm on the YouTube and I figured out how I play for control ball, right?
Right. Yeah.
That's for sure. Thank you.
Take it easy, guys.